Western boxing. Number one is the spinning back fist. This is the regular way you guys want to practice this, is keeping your legs in place, spinning in place, keeping your feet where they are. You turn, you keep this hand up, you barely touch, and you come back. Okay, this is the basic way. Okay, next you guys want to bring up your knee, kind of like a check, like this. Okay. Okay. Next one, without going all the way back to where you came from, you're just gonna step here and bring it all the way down to there. Okay, just like this. So that was number one, spinning back fist. Number two is the Superman punch. Now how do you do this punch? Watch. You guys want to bring up your knee like you're doing a front kick, or a jump front kick, right? Or a jumping knee, whatever. You bring your knee up this way, right? It could be many things. You could be faking a front kick, you could be faking a jumping knee, or a jumping front kick. What you're gonna do is, once you come up here, you're just gonna bring your body all the way over here. Why? Because the power of this punch comes from your leg. It's like a kick. It's just like a back kick. Watch. The power of that back kick is gonna come with this hand here. So basically like this. Okay? So it's that mixed up with the jump. So it's not only that, the punch actually isn't here, the punch is gonna be here. But when you jump in the air, your opponent's gonna be lower. Okay? So you come up here. Once your body's positioned here, you will do two things at the same time. Three things. You will jump, punch, and throw your leg in that direction at the same time. Looks like this. Keep this hand up. Looks like this. So someone is my own height. I use this punch a lot when I fight taller people. So someone my own height will be right here. So by the time I punch, my punch is down in here, back down to my abdomen level, right here. So when it's taller, let's say someone is this tall, it's perfect to hit taller people. But the Hunter used to do this a lot. And hopefully you can finish your opponents with these dangerous moves. And why are these too dangerous in boxing? Well, you guys can imagine. If you jump in the air, you bring all that momentum down like this from above, boxers just don't know how to deal with that. And the spinning back fist, a lot of the times you will catch the person behind the head, which is another very dangerous thing. Like if someone overcommits with a cross and you back up and you spin and you catch them in the back of the head, when they're like this, you spin and you catch them this direction or the other direction, depending on which punch they're throwing. But these two punches are actually illegal in boxing. And I think if you were to have a kickboxer that's good at these punches, fight a boxer with no kicks allowed, I don't know. I think even a Mayweather will get fucked up by somebody that throws these spinning back fists and jumping Superman punches. Something nobody talks about. Everybody assumes, oh, a kickboxer fights a boxer. Yeah, but what if the boxer fights with kickboxing hand rules? Would they win? I doubt it. I think they would get fucked up. I think boxing, a lot of people say boxing this, boxing that, boxing is the best for self-defense. Kickboxing is the best for self-defense. Dutch kickboxing in particular. Okay, it's you have the kicks. Imagine Mike Tyson bobbing weaving. You will get his legs kicked out of him. You will get his face kicked, watched, whatever, boxing. Now, if you guys want to learn more about kickboxing, Dutch kickboxing, etc., click on my Dutch kickboxing list. It's right over here. If you guys want to watch a video of me predicting kickboxing fights' outcome, click on this link here. If you guys want to see me expose